One of the biggest problem the humanity is going to face in next 5 years is not HIV, AIDS or population or terrorism. No. One of the biggest problem humanity is going to face in next 5 years is deaths due to boredom and tiredness. Whatever you want to give, people don't want to live anymore. They are bored. Give them pizza, they are bored. Okay, provide them all the varieties of sex. No, they are bored. Pornography, they are bored. Entertainment, bored. Alcohol, bored. Drugs, bored. Facebook, bored. TV, bored. This is one of the biggest problem humanity is going to face within next 5 years. Understand? Feeling bored means denying your life, denying the possibilities of your space and time meeting. It is a very important truth. I have decided I will do a 2-day program, just like Nitya Dana Yoga, on conquering time. I really want to help people to get out of boredom. Understand? If boredom captures you, nothing can make your life happy. I am not promoting drinking, smoking, pornography, womanizing, all that. I am not promoting. But all I am trying to tell you is, boredom is much worse than all this. Even with all this, if you are able to keep yourself excited, at least okay, be alive. All these become outdated. Drinks, womanizing, marijuana, whatever you call it as a pleasure. Vacation, cruise, this, that. Everything has become old-fashioned, old style. Now all this no more attracts the next generation. We have seen what is there next. We have seen what is there next. Human beings have gone to the extreme. Now nothing more excites. I am not even looking at 10 years. I am looking at next 5 years. The grand collapse of human civilization due to boredom. Understand? The human civilization is moving towards, heading towards grand collapse, not because of economical meltdown, no global political crisis, no terrorism, no HIV AIDS or no virus, no aliens attack, no. All that is not going to be a big problem humanity will face. The share market melting down, banks becoming bankrupt, no. Global warming, no. Within next 5 to 10 years, the biggest blow the human civilization is going to face is boredom. Human civilization will collapse due to boredom if we don't teach people to conquer time. It is time people learn the science of conquering time, so that the constant excitement, joy, celebration, looking forward to life, having hope on life, joy. You see, something has to pull you towards the future. You can't always be pushed from the past. See, being pushed from the past is dragging your life. Something has to pull you from the future. Only then you will run with excitement. Please understand, being pushed by the past, being pulled by the future, there's two big difference. Pushed by the past, you will be moved. Pulled by the future, you will be just flying, dancing. So the science of conquering time need to be taught to the world. Mahadeva very beautifully gives around 35 verses on the science of time. Very recently I read. I may not be able to translate all that 35 and transmit that knowledge, that experience to all of you in this one question answer. I'll soon, we will have a 2-day program, just like Nityadana Yoga, conquering time. This will be my gift to all of you from Agama.